guys, welcome back to my channel VERON Ina. So I'm back again and I'm here with Anton.
Hey.
He's back in the vlog. And this is Natalie.
Rambut baru nih.
Yeah, and Vera. And today we are explore this area called Imogiri. And what's nice because there's no people because it is fasting time now, Ramadan. And people don't want to waste their energy to come here. We are not fasting. By the way, Vera is the only one who fasting here. So yeah, let's explore together, guys. Okay, so we made it to the top and this is the view from the top, guys. And we can take picture here. And actually that's the Royal Cemetery, but we went there before and it's closed. So Anton is brave enough to climb up to the helicopter. I'm not gonna go there, thank you. And Vera is ready to take a picture. This is video. What are you doing? So now we are at the second place. It's called Watu Lawang. I don't know what it's called in English, but let's see how it looks like. Okay guys, so we made it to the third place of our trip today, and this place is called Wisata Seribu Batu. Natalie and I, this is Natalie, we are here at the restaurant because I don't know if we gonna get in or not, because this place is just like the other places that we went, lots of selfie spot, guys. And yeah, we are hungry and also thirsty, so we just grab some food and drinks, and Vera go there with Anton because Vera is fasting. Sorry, Vera. I got the famous Indonesian noodle Indomie with egg.
Kasih kecap lagi nih.
And Natalie got nasi goreng or fried rice. Very Indonesian. Okay, so Anton just coming back and he is eating lunch. What you got? What you got?
Rice and vegetables.
It's called pecel.
Yeah, nasi pecel.
So it's vegetable with peanut sauce, guys. Is it good?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay guys, now we are at the pine forest and I can't even count how many times I came here. So this is it. And this is the entrance. 3,000. So every places that we went is 3,000 and parking is like 5,000 per car. Oh, it's 3,000. Okay, so we've been here for a moment, but I forgot to make video. So this is Hutan Pinus, Jogja. So we are at the top already. And this is the view down there. New place, it's called Lintang, Sewu. How do you feel this far?
It's relaxed. Yeah,
These places?
It's a Wednesday, so there's no one.
Yeah, it is nice. And I don't know if we have to pay for the parking here because like there's nobody's here. Okay, so we made it here to the viewpoint, guys. Wow, it is nice. I like it because there's no people here, and also wow, the view is very beautiful. So this is the first one. This is like podium here, guys, and those are the seats. And wow, the upside down house. the view. Very nice. Wow, you see, this is like paper.
Yeah.
We're going up to the upside down house. Oh, even better view. Okay guys, so will be the last place that we will visit on this area guys, and the last place, this one called Bukit Becici, and actually Obama, he went here last year or last 2 years guys, so yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is at the top guys, and this is the view. Oh, and it's 12, so it is so hot and humid. So they write here, this is not place to relax but only to take picture, and maximal is 5 minutes, but because there's no people here, so we are free to stay as long as we want. Anton, welcome to my house. This is my living room. Just relax, mi casa es tu casa.
Nice.
Okay guys, so that is end of our trip at this Mangunan forest area guys, and for me it is nice enough if you want to relax and take picture. And what do you guys think? Anton, what do you think?
It's scenic views, relaxing atmosphere, so a very good weekend trip.
Yeah, and Vera, what do you think?
Yeah, all stuff is very nice. All place is very nice. But why too many charge?
Yeah, and you apa?
Udah begini pokoknya.
She said it is good. Okay guys, so that is gonna be end of today's vlog, and I will see you guys in the next vlog when we explore the waterfalls, right? So stay tuned for that guys, and if you don't subscribe yet, make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next vlog. Bye! Say bye! Bye!
Bye.
Bye! Bye.